I think this is the highlight of this mask. I really like the color of side panels. Hello everyone, hope you guys doing great. Welcome back to my channel where we bring to you amazing unboxing of lifestyle products. Today we are here to unbox one of the best masks available in the market. It is known as Pangolin Mask. Really useful for us in current situation, which is the pandemic time. This is another mask which is the latest one which has come, and Pangolin team has sent us to review this particular product. So designed in Germany and is being used by celebrities like Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, who recently tweeted "Hum to chale bhaiya kaam pe Pangolin mask pehen ke," and his son Abhishek Bachchan as well uses the same mask. Not just him, many other celebrities have started using this mask. So let's go ahead and watch this amazing product unboxed by me. Watch the entire video till the end, and if possible and you like the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Let's go ahead and watch it. So let's begin the unboxing for the Pangolin mask. There's some pretty solid packing that they have sent us this thing with. Oh, there it is. Here we go. So this is the actual packing. Let's say the other one was an additional box which was there. I mean, the packing itself looks premium. Oh, wow. I mean, just look at this. I mean, so very well designed. I'm in awe with the box. It has this string sort of a thing which you have to open so that this boxing. So here you have a strap. So there is also a booklet which talks about how to use the mask. You can go through it. What else is there in the box? So here comes the Pangolin mask. So it comes in a seal packed pouch. So let me show you the inner cover of the mask. LUFTMASKE, designed in Germany, and it looks very premium and neat, and it's thin as well as tough. It's designed so well. You can see the branding over here. Let's check the filter of it. This is what we put inside the mask. Features a 4-layer filtration system at the core, of which is hemp, and a best-in-class filament to guard you from dust, pollen, bacteria and other particles, so you can breathe clean air. Let me first understand which side is the up. So if you can see closely, they have this sponge-like thing so that this doesn't hurt your nose. This is what luxury is, or premiumness of a product which is so expensive. It really talks the price. So what you have to do is, there is a velcro over here, so you just stick it over here. It's very strong. Let me fix it on the other side as well. Here we go. And one of the highlights that I would say is this clip which clips onto your ears. So this is how it sits onto your ear. This one. So once this is done, this mask can be just hanging onto your neck. But that's not it. There is one more last thing. Check this out. It's a carry bag for the Pangolin mask. Neatly done branding over here. This thing talks quality, man. Just check. I mean, this is such an amazing product. This is so that you don't spread the virus, so that you can keep this thing inside this and carry it wherever you want. A couple of quick points, important points that I wish to discuss is that the seals around the face is much better than the disposable masks which have caps around the cheeks, nose and chin. So you can see this is protecting your face entirely, okay? And this is not sweaty at all, since it's good quality cotton and breathes better. I really like the fact that I can wash it at home and reuse it, because there is going to be so much of wastage of disposable masks and no one is really thinking of that right now. Well, currently in COVID situation, it's best to use a mask without valves, and hence this has added protections. With valves, I mean the viruses can enter your nose, but when it comes to this mask, this doesn't have valves, so there is no way that the virus can enter through your mouth or your nose. And adding to that, this little pouch, I mean, I love this little pouch, so that if I ever go anywhere and can take off my mask, I have a place to keep it rather than just putting it random and just throwing it on the surface. This is why you call that it's a premium product, because very small things have been taken care of, from the pouch to the filter. The mask itself is of a very good quality. The hemp filter, which can be changed after a point of time. I think this is the highlight of this mask. I really like the color of side panels. I'm going to use this product everywhere, for my walks, for my cycling. So I hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. I have really enjoyed unboxing one of the best products that I've unboxed so far, and something which is so useful in this crucial time. If you guys really want to watch a full review of this particular mask, then do let me know in the comment sections.